Hey guys, it's Cami and welcome to my channel. So this is a little bit of a different video. I haven't really done a routine video on my channel and I decided to start with something that was very urgent. I was actually filming this makeup look right here. It's gonna come at the end of this one, so I'll make it really easy for you to click on. And I really love the way it came out, but I had to stop in the middle of it because I decided my eyebrows were way too much. They were messy, they were ungroomed, they were long in the wrong areas for me. And specifically this routine, I did it for hooded eyes. I have hooded eyes, which means there's like a fold here. So it's really important for me as I do my makeup that I have as much space on my lids as possible, which meant getting rid of hairs lifting the brow to up there. And I really am satisfied with how it came out. And I really just wanted to create a shape that I really like. And I love what I have going on now. So what I did was I just stopped the makeup tutorial and I filmed myself doing my eyebrows from beginning to end. So that's what this video is about. It is my current eyebrow routine. Any of the products that I use in this video are going to be linked down below, and if they're old products like the tweezers, I think the tweezers are older, I'll link similar good ones down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also I would love it if you subscribe to this channel. There's going to be a lot more routine videos coming from me. Okay guys, here we go. I'm just going to use 5 items to create my new eyebrows. A compact mirror so I can see up close, Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. I'm taking some hot pink Post-its and they make this process a little bit less tedious and a lot more fun. A pair of metal tweezers that I feel like really get a good grip on each of the hairs. This is my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil in the color Deep Brown. This e.l.f. eyebrow pencil has a spoolie so I can brush out the hairs on this side, and then on the other side is the actual crayon. I'm going to show you how to create more space for eyeshadow on your eyelid. So first I like to take a look at my eyebrows and see where the fullest part of my brow is, and then everything around the fullest part of my eyebrow is up for tweezing. But what I want to do is focus on the bottom line of my brow. There's just these sparse hairs here that are really getting in the way of using like a highlighter color. These hairs, because they're so dark, they can create a muddy look underneath the color that I'm applying. So I'm just going to go ahead and measure where the sparse hair is and go ahead and tweeze those hairs out. These are tweezers that I just got from the drugstore. I'm not even sure what brand they are, but they work. So now that the bottom of my eyebrow is not looking so sparse anymore because I tweezed out those sparse hairs, the line at the bottom of my brow looks a little bit more clean, and that's the effect I want to go for. Oh, I love tweezing. Look how satisfied I am. You can see it in my eyes when I get these last few hairs. I'm actually not going to tweeze the top of my brows at all on the beginning of the brow, the apex of the brow, or the tail end of the brow, because that's where I want to add more color to make my eyebrow shape complete. You know, with my new brows, I just want to put on makeup, so I'll be right back. This is my favorite compact to use up close. It is my Fenty Beauty KILLAWATT Trophy Wife Compact. This is the e.l.f. brown pencil and the color is called Deep Brown. If you have a pomade, you can also use that. If you prefer to use a powder for your brow, you can also use that. Any type of color that you like to fill in your brows with will work for this method. Right here where I stopped is the apex of the brow where I want to make it the darkest and filled in the most, because from far away it'll look like that's really the top of my natural brow. So this is the part where I go over the same process that I just did, minus tweezing, 2 or 3 times. The first time I used one application of the brow pencil, and after brushing it out, I just felt like it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be. So some people will like one application and one brush through, and I just like 2 or 3 applications of it. You're gonna have to decide look at the difference between the first brow and the second brow. I really like it. Some people will want more, some people will want less color. Remember, you can do as much as you want. Oh, that was creepy. I was frozen and then I started blinking. So I'm just gonna start the exact same thing on my right eye. I love the way the left eye looks under there with no hair. And you'll get to be able to do this freehand without using the Post-it after a few tries. My preferred method to creating more space on the eyelid is to raise the eyebrow naturally by tweezing the bottom of the brow and to add color on the top of the brow. The next step is completely optional. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the color Brownie Brows. These hairs that I'm tweezing out now, I can just see them a little bit better because I filled in the brow the way I actually really want it to be filled in when the entire thing is done, and I'm ready to move on to other parts of my makeup. This is literally probably the most satisfying part of the whole experience because I've finally gotten it the way I want it to be. So now when I apply my eyeshadow, I have this space here above my base eyeshadow where I can put a highlighter color and feel comfortable that the color is not going to get muddy. And that's it, guys. That's how I get these really cute brows that I have now, nice and manageable. I'm very, very happy about it. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and come back soon and subscribe if you would like to, and see me in my next video. Bye.